part of another demolition job, existing, taking the coating off the floor. Show you how these machines work. This is a rental, diamond blades. Try to take up the floor, get some water going. Try to do it with one hand here. We'll see what happens. Very slow. See the difference? Well, it takes a while. It's on that thick. The other side shouldn't be bad, it has glue on it. But just that little bit there took us, today's day 3. And we only have that little bit more. We'll leave the easy stuff for the rest of the guys. This stuff over here is just glue.